I'm always recommending daily tapping to folks. To me, it's energy hygiene, just like physical hygiene, like brushing our teeth or taking a shower. Most of us don't wait for a week until people around us are holding their nose and go, that's right, I haven't taken a shower in a while. But with stress, most of us don't have any kind of daily hygiene routine. So I think it's a great idea of having those simple sections. It can be difficult to read a novel if you just leave it in the bathroom. Like, where was I? But those simple little prompts that you have in there and suggestions that it's like, oh, okay, as long as I'm here, let me go through this and do some clearing. And all kinds of release happening. Letting go of that stuff you no longer need in your body.
Absolutely. And in your mind.
Exactly.
Make it elimination for mind, body and spirit. But what really made me laugh is when you said you don't wait until you smell to have a shower. Can you imagine if stress actually smelt?